Man, what's going on? And we back with another one. You already know what time it is, man. Hey, y'all gonna have to excuse me, man. First time recording with this phone, man. But usually I record with the GoPro, but caught me slipping today. You did. So, but man, I got a beauty in front of us right now, and I mean when I say beauty, I mean beauty, man. All the way done. You know what I mean? Inside, outside, motor work, the whole nine, man. And I mean it clean, you know what I mean? I ain't gonna even talk long, man. I'm gonna let the work on the whip do its own talking, and I'm gonna let the owner, you know what I mean, spit to you, show you what he did, you know what I mean? Just kind of give you a rundown, but man, check it out. When I say super clean, man, super clean. Super clean. Them rallies, ain't nothing like them raised leather, Mastercraft Avenger GTs, you know what I mean? My man did it up. Chrome. Man, when I say the detail on this thing, so stupid. Inside, outside, motor work. I mean, bolts, nits and crannies, man. I can even tell they ain't even sprayed the liners up under in the wells. Man, shit crazy, man. It's crazy. Got suspension and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna let the owner, man. Kind of give y'all a rundown, you know, a quick rundown. Of course, we ain't gonna air out too much, you know what I mean? Cause you know it's a lot of cats out here trying to do that copy, trying to imitate. You know what I mean? Man, spit knowledge to them, man. What's going on, man?
What's going on? You know,
you already know what time it is.
You know, but this is my second wife, Shelly.
Okay, yeah.
This is Shelly Lewis. This about a little bit over a year worth constant work, consistent work.
Yeah.
So we started from the inside out. We 350 the machine heads and all that. So we got aluminum heads, all that good stuff. Edelbrock intake, 4-bolt or 4-barrel carburetor, all that's brand new. We went with long tube headers to the back. Redid all that.
Man, you already see it.
Yeah, you can see it. You can see it. AC, brand new. I was gonna go vintage air, but I actually like the older ones. It's 134. It's converted.
Yeah.
But it seemed like from what I was getting from a lot of the AC people that the vintage air, it blows really good, but it doesn't give you the same power as the old units.
Yeah.
So what I did was just replace everything in that unit. So condenser, evaporator core, dryer, all that stuff brand new, man.
Man, so original stuff, not vintage air. They ran all original. And you can tell he running it. Look at the outline. You know what I mean? Ain't no capping over here, man.
Yeah, no sir.
You know what I mean?
No,
running it.
I won't jump in the old school without the AC. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
All that heater core, all that stuff new. When we went with a house of color. I ain't gonna give you what the actual color is, but house of color, blue and silver, two-tone throughout. Sprayed the bed liner. Was gonna go with the blue in the bed liner, but I wanted to keep it as original as possible as far as with that. A lot of people just like the black. So we went with a clear. Actually, we cleared the bed liner too. You know, give it a little shine, you know.
Yeah, and I'm telling you, man, right now on this camera, man, the sun, the way the light hit it don't do it no justice, man. Y'all got to see this in person. Yeah. You know what I mean? It's clean now.
Yeah.
And hey, you see what I'm saying?
Thanks,
it don't take much, man. Cats ain't got to be doing 24s, 26s to be clean, man. You know what I mean?
If not
all original.
Get close to it.
You know what I mean?
Out there. And it's OE. So as you can see, Chevy sign in the center. So it's straight from it.
Man, do I got a Chevy sign?
So I'll tell you, gotta go OE. That's what I'll tell you, Luke. A lot of people don't be understanding that. They'll get, because what the other ones do, they have a patent on the design, but it ain't OE. The only way you know it's OE, you're gonna have that Chevy sign in the center.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? So
man.
Like I said, every nut and bolt, pretty much with all this stuff in there is brand new, man.
Man, that joint crazy, man.
Yeah,
that joint crazy.
Change
out the 4x6s. You know what I mean?
And LED. I ain't even went to that.
With
LED light.
Throughout of it?
Throughout.
Man, that's crazy.
Yeah, so front, back. Oh, and not to mention, look, it's just a little detail. They red.
Okay.
So I can flip a button in there and all the lights turn red.
Man.
So
And
yeah,
shit, I was gonna ask him, man, what year is it? If I can tell it's an 85. You know what I mean? You see it. You saying? It kind of got like that Atlanta Brave thing to it, in a way. Man, it clean, man.
Yeah, man.
It clean, man. Hey, look. Look now. This kind of stuff, man, and it's a lot of details, y'all. It's a lot of details in it. So this type of work is money. It's money in everything that you do. You know what I mean? So don't. It's a project car. I say this all the time to all my homeboys. You know what I mean? If it's a project and it's your project, you're gonna pay attention to the finest things, man. You know what I mean? And it takes time to build stuff like this, man. And money. You know what I mean?
Consistent work, man. That's what people don't be understanding, bro. Doing things 2 and 3 times.
But that joint clean, man.
Nice.
Man, can we check out the interior?
Yeah, go ahead. Come on, bro.
Yeah, man. Look at that. Look with the diamond pattern seats in the center. You already know what time it is, man. Man, my man look like he ain't stepping on that carpet, man. There ain't even no lint in that thing. What you talking about? Yeah, man. My man getting it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Oh, with the suede headliner.
The suede headliner.
Bar comfortable, blowing AC, music.
What is it? Rear view mirror, all that, man.
All that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Look, man. Detail. Stuff like this. Detail. That's detail. That's crazy.
Because I was just telling Luke, see that? I saw you powder coated your seals.
Yeah. I just got that done.
Yeah. So see, I just put these on yesterday, so the white's still on it. They chrome too, so it's the same thing as the the seals that's down.
Yeah.
I just gotta pull it up, you know.
Yeah, so, man. Detail. Man. And digi dash.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Bruh. Hey, this no cap, man. This the kind of shit it make you want to go buy another one and do it again. You know what I mean? But then you have to talk yourself off the ledge, man. You be like, nah, I'm not gonna do that again. I'm not gonna do it again, man. I'm surprised King ain't back his up. Yeah, yours up. Yeah, I mean that thing was humming enough.
Pull that shit out.
Man, look at that thing, man.
Let it got pulled back in.
Look at that thing, man.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we can.
Hey, man, 85, man.
Pull out one arm.
You did.
Pull it right.
Hey, that work.